Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Gladiator Willys in Sting Gray. With Willys hood decal, blind spot and crosspath detection, 17-inch aluminum wheels, black Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 22,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, command track part-time 4-wheel drive system, ALPINE premium audio, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7956.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.